Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have a new to me subscription box. This is called the SEWERS Club subscription box. Their product packaging is super duper cute, just in time for Christmas. So SEWERS Club actually reached out to me and asked me to review one of their boxes. And so they sent me 7.5 yards of fabric. And this is a monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly subscription box that you can sign up for. The price is $32.92, and then shipping is, for me, it was about $8.19. Now this is a Canadian-based company, but they shipped from New York, so the shipping actually only took 3 days to get to me. So altogether, you're paying about $41 shipped for this box, which if you've seen some of my other videos is right on par with other subscription boxes. If you do order today, they have a Cyber Monday sale going on for 40% off of your first purchase. And if you're seeing this video days later, months later, you can actually put in a code that they gave me. So Lauren Box, LAURENBOX, for $12, I believe, off of their project box, which is super cool. You should actually go check out their website, which I'll link below as well. And then that stash builder box, they have 30% off the stash builder if you put Lauren 30, LAUREN 30. And I'll go ahead and put that here down below as well for you to see. Just to add on to the stash builder box, they also have 5, 10, and 15 fat quarter monthly, bi-monthly, and quarterly subscription boxes that you can also get. So the thing I really like about this stash builder option is if you have other subscription boxes, usually there's a lot of notions that you get, and eventually you kind of run out of needing any more notions. I know I've got a huge basket of notions from other subscription boxes that I haven't even opened yet. They're all still in their original packaging. So at this point, I think as a quilter, building up my stash is really where I want to be. So I love that there's different options. If you do get the project box from SEWERS Club, it does come with a notion or two as well, and you can always add on a notion on their website when you go to checkout as well. All right, so let's dive into this box and see what they sent us. When you open your box, it's super cute here. Comes a little leaflet here of your fabrics, and then it's all nice and organized here with some tissue paper. First, we have this fabric. This is Isabelle Van de Plache for Figo Fabrics, and this is Noel Trees and Cars. I'm so sorry if I butchered that last name. That was a difficult one. Next, we have this fabric. This is Local Honey by Heather Bailey. This next one goes really pretty with that violet moon. This one is Patrick Lowe's of Patrick Lowe's Fabrics. This one is called Dapple and Orchid. This one is called Christmas Poinsettias in Purple. This fabric is Colorworks in Kiwi. We have Dreamscape by Josephine Kimberling for Figo Fabrics, and this one is Mint Marvelous. And finally, we have this one. This is Anna Blue, Satin Moon Designs for Blank Quilting Core. And this is Blue Butterflies with Floral. All right, so we got all of these fabrics. There's 7.5 yards here. I think the great thing about this stash builder is that you can actually customize your options. So I'll go ahead and put that up here so that you can see what it looks like. But basically, you put your likes. So do you like batiks? Do you like blender fabrics? Do you like animal prints, things like that? And then for the dislikes, it's kind of the same exact list. Do you not like metallics? Okay, then make sure that you mark that you don't like metallics so that they don't send them to you. So it's totally customizable. For me personally, I did select that I like Christmas prints, but I think after seeing what I got for the Christmas prints, I personally really dislike this fabric, and I would never purchase it on my own. So I think for me, because I am pickier with my seasonal holiday prints, I actually might deselect that from the fabrics that I want them to send to me. So it's totally customizable. You can change that customization at any time. But yeah, check them out. I'll go ahead and link all of the information down below in the description box. Please put in the comments what your favorite fabric was. My favorite fabric was this Christmas print. I just said that, I didn't like the other Christmas print, but I actually did like this one. The only thing for me is there are metallics on it. And personally, I know from research that I've done is that metallics don't stay on fabric forever, right? So that's personally why I don't like to use them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.